So a lot of people come to my website and click through trying to find more about what SEO is. So I'm just going to start with a simple example so that you can get a better idea of what basic search engine optimization is. When a company is looking to get ranked, what this means is they want to get found on specific search engines so that their business can grow, gain leads, and relevant traffic. So if we go to Google, for example, and Google is probably the most used browser, specifically in the United States. Google's really the one that most clients, business owners, the general public, people looking for services, they will go and click through here to find what they're looking for. I work specifically, my company does, with rehab centers, getting them ranked on Google, and we use keywords. Now, keywords is something that people tend to overanalyze. Keywords are basically the words that people use when they go to Google to search for what they're looking for. So, let's say you're searching for rehab in Huntington Beach. You would simply type in rehab center, and here it is, Huntington Beach. What comes up first, you'll see, is an ad. These are paid results here. So people have paid money. This Michael's House has paid money to be placed at the top of the page. So when you search for this keyword phrase, he comes up first. Next, you'll see the map. This is called the map pack. The map pack includes only three of the top search results on Google based on verified addresses. So Google does the best they can to make sure that your search results bring up actual rehab centers. There are a lot of websites out there that are called lead generation. And lead generation and SEO, while they both bring in traffic, are two different things. True recovery centers will have an actual business address. They will have a location that Google has sent a postcard to verify that this business is located where they say they are. Another thing that contributes to map pack rankings are the reviews. And you can see each one of these has a certain number of reviews. Next, you move down, and quite often, as you see here, Yelp is at the top. There will be some sort of review site that comes up near the top that will give you, in this case, it's the 10 best rehabilitation centers in Huntington Beach. That is not an actual business, obviously, but it's a resource, and Google finds that relevant. Next, you see a site called rehabs.com. This is also not an actual business website. Rehabs.com is an informational site where rehab centers can request to be listed, either paid or otherwise. And they have pages built into their sites that are city specific. As you can see here, it's rehabcenters.com, Huntington Beach. That's relevant because we typed in Rehab Center, Huntington Beach. Under that, you see the first actual rehab center result, Wavelengths Recovery. And under that, you see one site that I've been working on for years, Coastline Rehab Centers. And the list goes on. You'll also see that Psychology Today has 2 spots on the first page, and addicted.org, another resource center, and drugabuse.com take up another 2. So these are your page 1 results. When people say they want to get on page 1 of Google, this is what they mean. And page 1 of Google for specific keyword phrases. You might find it interesting to know that most people who are searching, 60% will click initially on one of these results, but nearly 40% go immediately to page 2. The reason for this is a lot of people have figured out that some of the sites on the first page that show up, like the Psychology Today, addictionnet.org or whatever that was, and rehabs.com, are not actually what they're looking for. They're looking for actual rehab centers. So they click through to page 2. Again, we see the ad at the top. We see recovery.org again. We see Orange County Recovery. Then we see massage therapy. So not always do you get the search results you're looking for the keywords that you have typed in. But this is a basic example of how people use Google to search for what they're looking for, and how companies are using these phrases, these keyword phrases at the top, to get ranked. Thank you for watching my video.